Ritchie's Fabulae Faciles, episode 16:1. Hercules' story continues, paragraph 16, a cruel deed. Hercules iam adolescens Thebis habitabat, rex Thebardrum vir ignavus creon appellabatur, miniae gens bellicosissima Thebanis finitimi erdrant. Hercules, now a young man, was living in Thebes. We have Hercules the subject in the masculine singular nominative. We have iam the adverb, and adolescens in the same gender number case in apposition to Hercules, restating the subject. Then we have Thebes, feminine, plural, and locative. Feminine, plural, and locative. So, for the names of cities, towns, and small islands, the Romans used different cases to express being there, leaving there, or going there, but they didn't have to use the preposition. And to be there, they used the locative case. So Hercules, as a young man, habitabat, he was dwelling or he was living in Thebes, third singular, imperfect, indicative, and active from the first conjugation verb habito, habitare, like so. Then we get a new subject, rex Thebardrum. Notice that this can't be the people because it is a genitive plural. Because it's a feminine. It's a feminine plural and genitive. And the residents of a place are unfailingly described as masculine. So this then is the place, not the people, and it's feminine. That's because Thebai, like Athens, is a plural that refers to one place. Thebai, Thebardrum, and feminine, this is the city of Thebes. So the king of Thebes, a base man, a cowardly man, vir ignavus, masculine, singular, and nominative, to restate rex, was named Creon appellabatur. Appellabatur, third singular, of course you can parse this, imperfect, indicative, and passive from the first conjugation verb appello, appellardre, like so. The miniae, gens bellicosissima, a very warlike tribe or nation, was neighbors to the Thebans. So here we have miniae in the masculine plural nominative. Why does it end in ae if it's masculine? It's a first declension masculine. It's going to be the subject of erdrant. Then we have gens bellicosissima. Gens is feminine, singular, and nominative, and it is modified by the superlative adjective bellicosissima. The positive degree of the adjective is bellicosus, like so. Bellicosus a It's a first and second declension adjective. Then we have the issima, that is the superlative ending put on it. Was a very warlike nation. Now, how can miniae, masculine, be, in a sense, modified by gens, feminine? Well, it is because this is apposition. It is not adjectival modification, it's apposition. One noun, gens, restates another noun, miniae, and they only have to agree in case. Thus, they agree in the fact that they're both nominative, but they are different in gender. One is masculine, one is feminine, and they're different in number. One is plural, one is singular. So then, the miniae, a very warlike nation, was neighbors to, or neighbored, the Thebans. Now, whereas Thebardrum was feminine and plural, Thebanis is masculine and plural, and in fact it's dative. So these are the Theban people, Thebani, who are going to be masculine. Finitimi, masculine, plural, and nominative, and it's the predicate of miniae. So the sentence is, miniae erdrant finitimi. The Minians were neighbors, and they were neighbors to the Thebans. So we have the dative here, masculine, plural, dative, Thebanis. Thank you so much for watching this free video. I hope that you learned a lot about the classical languages and advanced your knowledge and enjoyment. You can help us keep going with this instruction if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. We've had hundreds of thousands of views in the last 9 years, and we would really like to grow our number of subscribers. If you hit the little bell, you will be notified every time we release a brand new free instructional video. You can also check out one of my Latin or Greek courses at LatinPerDiem.com if you'd like to study Latin and Greek with me directly. So keep learning, and vale tote omnes.